Abhishek and a warm welcome, or we say bienvenidos in Spanish. I wish you all the very best for success on your journey into this splendid language. I hope from previous lesson you remember how to pronounce the vowels, Spanish vowels. A, E, O, U. So now in this lesson we will talk about if we want to say something as one, like we say a car or a dog. So the word for a in Spanish is un. A means un. So if we want to say a coffee, then we will say un café. Coffee means cafe. Okay? Remember the pronunciation of vowels. We are using the pronunciation of vowels in this lesson. Un café means a coffee. The word for please in Spanish is por favor. Each of the R's is lightly flipped with the very tip of the tongue just behind the front teeth. Like we say por favor, slightly flip the R. Por favor. So if we want to say a coffee please, we will say un café, por favor. Un café, por favor means you put me a coffee please. Okay. So now we will move into our next word. Like if we want to say a Coca-Cola, suppose we want to say Coca-Cola. So in Spanish, nouns and all objects or nouns are either masculine or feminine. Like cafe is masculine, so we say un, but a Coca-Cola happens to be feminine, so we say una Coca-Cola. Un for male, una for female. Un masculine, una feminine. But there is not a hard and fast rule to remember which is masculine and which is feminine. So in general, according to situation, you will have to see that. So we will say a Coca-Cola, una Coca-Cola. So how do you say a Coca-Cola please? A Coca-Cola please. Una Coca-Cola por favor. A coffee please. Un café por favor. The word for and in Spanish is y. Y. You will see it as a Y, but it's not pronounced like in English. Here we say it E, means and. So how do you say a coffee and a Coca-Cola? A coffee and a Coca-Cola. Un café y una Coca-Cola. Un café y una Coca-Cola. So how about a coffee and a Coca-Cola please? You will say un café y una Coca-Cola por favor. Un café y una Coca-Cola por favor. So it's only our third lesson of Spanish and you already know how to ask about Coca-Cola and coffee. So we will see the next part in upcoming lessons. Thank you very much. See you again.